rotor's still spinning. Holy cow. Yeah, the rotor's still spinning there, you can see. Sorry, I am zoomed in for this. Okay, we'll zoom out. Right, so that is the fire call-out siren for Levin Fire Station. I have no idea if that was a call-out or a test. You'll probably find out in a minute if a fire engine comes past here. I was just standing here at these traffic lights waiting to cross the road because I just so happened to be in Levin for the day. I looked over there, thought, oh look, there's the fire siren, and about 10 seconds later it went off. Wow. And I was quickly able to get the camera out and start filming. That's absolutely fantastic. Maybe we'll go and have a closer look. Just sheer luck. Sheer right place, right time. Oh my goodness. It's not even that loud. I cannot believe. Well, I'm in absolute disbelief. I was just walking over this way to go to the warehouse, and yeah, I spotted the siren, and I never in my wildest imaginations did I think it was actually going to go off. That's absolutely crazy. I haven't seen any fire engines come out, so maybe it was just a test. Or maybe they haven't got out yet. We'll see. Right, I'm at the fire station and I think there's a truck in there with its lights on. So it looks like that was an actual call out, but there's the siren there. It's at the top of the training tower. Got a little rain hood on it, and just over there are the traffic lights that I was standing at, so I'm not that far away, but we'll just keep our distance. Don't want to get in the way for when that fire engine does come out. Here they come. So that was an actual call out in the end. The siren on that fire engine is nowhere near as loud as the sirens on the ones in Wellington. And there's the one that we're all interested in, on top of the training tower. Right, I'd say that's it.